Hey everybody, Steve here. I just received in the mail a package of one of my prints. If you order a print from me, it'll come packaged in a box flat. You can kind of get an idea how they arrive. And this happens to be a 12 by 18 inch metal print. So I'm going to open it up and share what we have. They're usually packaged nicely, well protected. You open it up, nice quality box, has some padding, then it's encased. Was protected from the front side. Let me get rid of the box here. So the front of the print is protected by a cardboard, taped or wrapped in plastic and taped to a piece of cardboard in here. So now I'm going to, boy, this is wrapped pretty good. I gotta find the end. There's the end. Open it up. Takes a little bit to get it off. It's not going in. It's not going to shift in transit. I'll tell you that. Just like so. Stayed pretty well. It's not coming out of there very easy. A little more difficult than I thought it would be. Bear with me a minute here as I get all this untaped. There we go. There we go. All right. Now we're down to the print. So this is a 12 by 18 inch metal print of one of a series of photos I caught down in Silvermore Beach down in California last October, actually late September. There we go. This is what we're waiting for. So this is a high gloss metal print. You can kind of see there is shiny, how shiny it is. It will reflect some of that's the outside right there. Has a mount on the back. So all you have to do is find your mounting point and it'll hang right here. It's going to come off the wall about a ½ inch and mount like that. So it's just thin metal, aluminum, high gloss metal print. There are a couple different options for the backing. Some of them you can upgrade to a frame that goes around with a wire or a cleat. But this one I chose just a little mount that mounts, metal mount that mounts. It's easy to do, just hanging on the walls, ready to hang. So you guys get an idea of a high gloss metal print. This one's 12 by 18 inches. And if you have any questions, let me know. Other than that, have a great day.